Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to add text behind your objects in Premiere Pro. Let's jump straight into it. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to duplicate my footage. I'm going to press the Option key and I'm going to drag it up 2 tracks. What I'm going to do next is turn off my footage on my V1 track at the bottom, and I'm going to go straight to my effects and I'm going to type in color key. I'm going to drag that on my footage at the top. I'm going to go to my effects panel and I'm going to get my eyedrop tool and I'm going to click the background. I'm then going to increase my color tolerance to around 70. And then I'm going to increase my feather to around, let's just say 5. I'm going to turn my bottom layer back on. I'm then going to select my text. I'm going to type in my artist name, Emeka. Once you've added your text, to make your effect visible, what you're going to do is you're going to drag your text and you're going to put it in between your footage. And there you go, my people. This is how you add text behind your moving objects in Premiere Pro. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.